Welcome back to another Granularity.ai tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about developing an Autogen AI agent process for content creation. Now, with us living in this Gen Z Zoomer time, I guess, everyone kind of wants to be an influencer. Everyone wants to be a content creator. Everyone wants to be some type of individual that has some type of social media brand or social media presence. So why not make it easy by having an auto gen process that can create content for you? Maybe if you're familiar with Canva, you could spend plenty of time on Canva, get as all types of different um, graphic designs ready for whatever you want to do. But that can take a lot of time. Why not just have AI do it for you? And that's what we're going to do here is finding out how we can make this work for us and just have AI do the work we don't really want to do all the time. But anyways, if you like what you hear and you are interested in this tutorial, please smash that subscribe button. Please like, please dislike, please suggest, please comment, whatever it may be. We want your feedback. We want to know what you like. We want to know what you want to learn, what you want to see. So please subscribe, like, dislike, comment, suggest. Now, anyways, let's jump right into it. So as you can see, I have a few packages, or more than a few, already installed, especially Autogen here. We have Autogen image utils, generate images, cache, OpenAI utils, so forth and so on. As well as you can see that I have a bunch of, well, not a bunch, but a few GPT configs here. So we got GPT config, GPT-4, GPT vision config, GPT-4 vision, and DALL-E config, DALL-E 3. We also have a critic system message. Now this one is highly important. You need to improve the prompt of the figures you saw. How to create an image that is better in terms of color, shape, text, in parentheses, clarity, and other things. Reply with the following format. Critics, the image needs to improve, ... Prompt, here is the updated prompt. If you have no critique or a prompt, just say terminate. So now here we are going to then begin in the next few minutes creating this critic agent. And this critic agent is going to follow off this critic system message. So anyways, let's begin by creating that termination message. So def is termination underscore message. MSG. And then let's have boom, 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 Boolean. Beautiful. If is instance message dot get dot not dot, actually content, like this, content, boom. Beautiful. Now I will be also copy and pasting stuff from a past project into this just to kind of make things run a bit faster. I haven't got any pushback from individuals that would rather me kind of just write the code all the way through. That will take way longer. So just to kind of keep this short and sweet, I try to copy and paste it and make it as helpful for you rather than you kind of staring, watching me code for who knows how long. So anyways, let me know what you guys think, if that is still the case and if you guys still like that. Else if, not the caps lock. If is instance msg dot get boom boom content boom boom list boom, there we go, for content in msg content boom if is instance content dict and text in content return content there we go. Yeah, text strip ends with terminate. So this is us just establishing when and how we want to use a terminate message in our flow. Turn off the caps lock, return, not run, return false. Beautiful. Also, I want to stress, make sure that all your if, else if, or return statements are lined up properly. That is extremely important when creating these functions. Let's run it real quick, make sure it's all good. Nice. So we're going to stay in this cell. I'm not going to move too far. Def critic underscore agent. Boom. Let's make some space. Boom. Boom. Damn it. Boom. Boom. There we go. Autogen. Conversible. Conversible agent. Boom. Return Autogen dot conversible agent. Boom. Boom. And let's do right here, name equals critic config equals GPT underscore, this is the vision configuration piece that we've already created, and then system message, and then this is where we begin to use the critic underscore system message that we created earlier, as you can see above this cell. Max consecutive auto reply. We want to say 3 times we want it to auto reply, and then that's when it terminates. And then we don't ever want a human to provide an input, at least for this one. That's not always the case, as you can see in past videos. Never. Is termination underscore message lambda msg boom, is termination message. This is us using the termination message function that we created earlier as well in the same code block. And boom. Let's see if this all works well. Beautiful. And then let's do one more function, I think. And this is the image generator. Image generator agent. Boom. Autogen. One thing I am putting my time to these days is creating a, I'm trying to think of how I want to say this, creating a chatbot I guess, that's able to help you in creating agents. I think that would be super, super, super helpful. Um, I kind of only share this to followers on Instagram and maybe subscribers here on YouTube of where you can find this AI agent generator, I guess. Um, but I think it could be extremely helpful for not only you guys, but also just anyone who's also looking to create agents. And maybe this, I think I might start off with just creating this AI agent generator specifically for Autogen, um, Autogen development. But maybe I might include Crew AI and other uh, frameworks into it as well. I haven't decided yet. But that's something that's been on my mind for a few weeks now that I've been kind of actively working on here and there when I got the time. So yeah, expect in the next few months or maybe weeks. And then let's do never. There we go. I think it would be really helpful if there is like an automated way for an individual who may not necessarily want to go through the whole documentation like I do and build something. Instead, they kind of just are like, I need help building this agent, and I wish there was an automated way to do it. And I think building something like this would be really helpful for you guys. Anyways, let me know what your thoughts are, if that's something you're interested in or not. Or what additions I should make to it as well. I am open to ideas. Okay, and then we're gonna add right here. This is the DALL-E gen. Generate images. DALL-E image generator. LM config. Again, we're bringing in. So those configuration pieces we wrote are extremely important, right? If you're doing any Autogen development, really, really important to use. Image gen, not pen. Capability equals generate images dot image generator, and then let's do image generator equals DALL-E underscore gen text analyzer LM config equals G. So this is where we're using just the regular GPT model, just FYI. GPT. And now let's do image gen capability dot add to agent return agent. Image generated. Let's see if all this is correct real quick. Okay, cool. Let's run it, see everything's good. Nice, executed nicely. Okay, let's keep going. We're almost there. So once we've created these functions to develop, not only, I guess, ideate on our prompt that we're going to be asking it to create, but also to then generate those images. We then need to extract those images because the DALL-E image, usually once it creates an image, it has a URL that's with it that you gotta click and view. But we just kind of don't want to click. We just want the images to be presented to us regardless. So anyways, let's do def extract images from that URL that it spits out. Let's do sender Autogen conversible agent, recipient, Autogen, conversible agent, image, boom, boom, images, all messages equals sender dot chat underscore messages, again recipient. For message in reversed, all messages, boom, contents equals message dot get, boom, content, boom, boom, boom. And for content, get a little for loop in there. Contents. We're almost there, guys. Is instance. I know you're waiting to see the end result. Hang in there. Boom. Continue. Now, if content.get type, boom, and let's add content.get type, let's do is equal to image URL. Ooh, don't forget to add the, there you go, image data, content, image underscore, not data, but URL, whoops, and anything equal to URL as well. Boom. Images dot append, image utils dot get underscore pill underscore image data. Boom. Now here is the fun part. If not images, we're gonna add a little error message here. Now you can add and put whatever error message you want in this, but for today, no cursing. We're just gonna keep it simple. No image, you idiot. No, I'm joking. No image data found in messages. And then we're going to do return images. Oh, there's a new version of Olam out here. Nice. Sorry, I just had the notification pop up. Anyways, now that we really have just got done with the bulk of what we really needed to create. This is where the fun part begins, I swear. No longer waiting and hoping. I swear to you, this is where the fun part begins. So DALL-E equals image underscore generator underscore agent, boom, critic, boom, critic underscore agent, boom, boom. And then we have image and prompt. So if you've enjoyed kind of what we ran through already, if it was interesting to you, if you thought it was insightful, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to dislike, whatever you want to do. I just want to add in that reminder. So let's do a robot analyzing data as our prompt. Keep it simple. Result. Now, mind you, one thing I want to add, and this is just through my own experience, is the more that you have, the more that you add more asks, more context to your prompt, the more complicated it becomes for DALL-E to understand what to produce, right? So if there's any way that you can kind of make the prompt simpler and easier to understand, DALL-E is your best friend. When you make it complex and difficult to really produce anything with specifics, DALL-E becomes your worst enemy. So anyways, now that we've reached here, let's go ahead and hit it. Actually, I forgot one thing. This I'm going to copy and paste in. And this is to extract the images that are produced by this Autogen automation. So as you can see, extract images, DALL-E critic, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, let's go ahead and hit it. We got an error. Protocols cannot be instantiated. Let's see here. Image generator, blah, 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 blah. Let's go back up. Where is this at? Image gen capability. Okay. Let's see here. Image gen, generate images, image generation. Image generator equals DALL-E gen. Text analyzer. GPT config. Let's see, let's copy and paste this whole piece in and see if that helps anything. Maybe I had some words written wrong. Let's see if that works. Create gen. Config. Termination. DALL-E gen. Blah blah blah. Let's see here. There we go. I wish I knew. So, I wish I knew images. We'll review it later. So as you can see, now with that fix, it worked. I wish I knew what happened. Maybe I spelled something wrong that I couldn't see. But anyways, it's now beginning to analyze and analyze our ask and produce our images. And as you can see, it looks like it just finished. Let's read over. Robot analyzing data. The image needs to be better conveyed. It's a robot interactive screens, holding charts, uses like glue. I generated an image with the prompt metallic finished robot, high-tech environment, multiple screens with colorful graphs. Woo. I am going to include this code in our GitHub. I'll add the link into our description. But let's take a look. Definitely image generator, blah, 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 blah. Agent gen. This seems like this was the change that worked. Generate images, image generation, image generator, DALL-E gen. I'm not entirely sure what happened. Or why it didn't want to work originally. But maybe I spelled something wrong. But anyways, now let's see what the images are that it's produced. Oh, no image data found. Let's try one more time. Let's see. It's taking a while here. I generated an image with the prompt metallic finished robot, blah, 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 blah. There is an image, I see it there. Hopefully it extracts it. Terminate. Okay, let's see now. So then with our extract images. Let's see. Extract images. Images extract. Let's see if not images. Let's go back up. Oh, I think I know what happened. Let's push this back a little bit. I think that might be the issue there. Okay, now let's run it. This is what happens. You get code wrong, or maybe a misplacement of for loops or misplacement of if statements, and next thing you know, it messes up everything. So, trial and error, man, trial and error. But we're still rocking, we're still going. Let's see what we got here. Beautiful. There we go. Let's do it again. There we go. So now, as you can see, it produces this image that can be used in, I don't know, whatever content piece you want to do. But it's simply, again, you hit run all maybe for this process, and it begins to do this daily for you or weekly, whatever it may be. And you can ask it to produce more than one images. It's definitely possible. But keep in mind that, again, there are costs when using a GPT model, GPT Vision, and DALL-E, and it can be extremely, extremely costly when producing not only all this text that the agent is using, but also producing the images as well from DALL-E. So, anyways, sorry about all the errors, sorry about the fixes, but that is what happens in real-time development. So if you liked what you saw, if you liked what you learned, if you liked what you've seen, please subscribe, please like, please dislike, um, please comment, please suggest, please share knowledge as well. We want feedback. We want to hear from you and what you want to see next. As I said before, I am actively currently working on that Autogen developer that I'm trying to make into an app right now. Small little app, nothing too crazy. But I'll roll out to Instagram and YouTube first for you guys to use it and give your feedback to that. Anyways, without any further ado, um, have a great rest of your week. Bye bye.